You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that good?
Yeah.
You like more?
Mama, I eat.
Open.
I eat.
You have to take your hands out of your mouth, sweetie.
Okay, I need that. I'll try it.
You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Grab your cup. Grab the whole thing.
I did.
Are you putting it on my... Oh. I thought she was... Here. Is that good? You like it? Yeah. Look, Ate's trying it too. Yeah, Ate? Ate likes it. You like it? Is that good? You're just holding it in your mouth. You have to swallow. Here, try some more. Does it taste good with the fingers? Good with the fingers? Here. Try some more.
Taste.
Is it good?
Uh-oh.
You want them more?
I try it. I try it, Sissy. I try
Is
it.
it good? Yeah. Ate tried it, sissy. Ate tried it.
Come on.
Is that good, Kiana?
I'll take a picture.
You like it? It's better than Kyla's reaction to it. You should say when when you had rice cereal, you were like, you were gagging.
See, I'll pass it.
Oh, Kyla, and to this day, you're a picky eater.
I'll pass it. I'll pass it.
No.
Is that good?
You gabba gabba. Yo. Okay. Cheese. Pizza. Okay, cheese.
Some more?
Oh, nice one.
Yummy.
Nice one.